My guess is that you've been dealing with this bread situation wrong your whole life. You got this twist tie, you spend time twisting it up, trying to get all the air out of it. And then if you're a weirdo like me, you start collecting these twist ties right here, and then you got a drawer full of them. After this video, it will change your bread game forever, and you will impress your friends and your family, and you're gonna be saying to yourself, why did I not think of that sooner? By the way, I'm obsessed with bread. Anyone else like bread? All right, this is what people typically do. They put the bread on, and then they twist it, and then they get this twist tie again, and then you're going around. I should time myself doing this, and you're twisting, and then you put it in your refrigerator, and then you come back the next day, and then you're like, hey, I'm trying to untwist this thing, doing 5 other things, and you're like monkeying around with this little twist tie thingy. By the way, does anyone else put their bread in the refrigerator? I mean, hanging out on the counter, you got this thing going, like, what is that? Well, not anymore, my friend, not anymore. Get your bread, grab it like so, you're gonna twist, just like so, and then you're gonna take your top and you're gonna fold it down over your bread. Nice and easy, and it looks great in your refrigerator too, sealed. That's way cuter than this thing like hanging out. By the way, this is such an easy thing that you can teach your kids, bam, baby, and then they're gonna have fun doing it as well. My bread lives right here in my refrigerator along with my English muffins and any other bread related items. But yes, huh? Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.